Hello. In this video, we'll learn the at sound. The letters E and T, when they're blended together, makes the at sound. E makes the A sound and T makes the T sound. And when they're blended together, they say at, at. Let's read some at word family. Let's read some at family words. S, at, set. P, at, pet. At, net. B, at, bet. At, met. At, let. Good job. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. I love you.